This video is for those of you who already downloaded the interlocking tile system. I just wanted to let you know that version 2 has been released based on your request or long discussion here about ways to improve. We wanted 3-inch panels to be interoperable with 6-inch panels. So a new version that would allow you to do this has been released. Let's see how this works. We're going to create a project based on this template. So let's open this in Bamboo Studio. Alright, so let's take a look from the top. You can see I have pretty much anything I want. My project is going to contain one of this, so let me clone one of this. And let's place it somewhere here. And I know I need several of these guys, so let's clone this one 4 times, 5 times. And let's move them. So let's see if I can simply hold control, select these guys. I'm gonna try not to modify the original one, leave it there for now, and place them here. Now let's arrange them in the proper position, the way I would like it to operate. So maybe I'm gonna have the 3 by 3 going around my 6 by 6 tile. And now let's add some nice borders to them. And here you can mix and match, pick whatever you think would work well. So it looks like I need female type of finishes there. So let's use a mixed. I'm gonna clone this one. I'm not sure yet which one I'm gonna use. Let's say it's gonna be this guy. So you can see I have female shapes in this area. Right, so this is what I have. Then I have here male and here female. Let's go around this thing. So what do I need? I need male and sorry, I need female and male. So female and male for this. So those would be the ones. Now how would they work? Let's say I'm gonna use a female-female combination here. So clone. Of course, you can be a bit more careful when you plan your project. Right now, I'm kind of playing with this. So let's rotate this 90 degrees. And you can see oh, actually this is the wrong way. I need to flip this around. So it looks like I need to flip this around. So I need to tell that this is the face that I want to sit on, right? So that's the face that I want to have this to go in. Let's rotate it one more time. 90 degrees. And looks like we addressed the problem with this corner, right? So this is gonna match pretty nicely here. This is gonna match pretty nicely there. Okay, let's go down. Theoretically, I can finish here with another 3 by 3. And what do I need? I need male. Let's do a male-male combination. So it has to be again a mixed condition. So male-male would be this one. Let's clone it. Clone 1, and let's bring it here. Rotate. There you go. That's what I have. To finish this project, I can finish again with a 6 by 6 corner, but just to show the versatility of what we can achieve with these tiles, let's close it also with a 3 by 3. Maybe the same 3 by 3 that I had here. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this, so clone it. When you clone, just remember that the clone appears on a build plate that's active. I'm gonna rotate it. Actually, in this case, I cannot do that. So this is not gonna work because I need the male-male conditions, right? So let's find the male-male. So that would be one of this. And we said we're gonna stick with the female ends. So let's clone this guy, bring it here, rotate it. I think I have exactly what I need. What do I need here? It looks like I need a male 3-inch end. So that would be this guy. Alright, so let's clone this one too. Okay, or you can just use it by dragging it in position. And here what do I need? I need a female male combination that is male. So that would be this one. So let's do again a clone. Bring this here and rotate it 90 degrees. And our project is completed. Those are the pieces that I want. The rest I don't need, right? So let's go from the top, do a Control Shift select, press the delete button. Those are gone. Now let's ask Bambu Lab Studio to place all these things in a minimal number of plates. So let's see if the arrange option without rotating, I don't want them to be rotated, would make sense. Right? So can I do any better than this? I don't really like to go so close to the corner, so probably I'm gonna do my own placements. So yeah, something like this. Now I have 3 plates. Obviously the names that I have here no longer make sense, and I'm ready to print. This is PLA. I would suggest printing it fast, so just keep the defaults for the strength. Grid would be pretty good. Don't change any of the other settings, and let's start printing. We'll record the end result and putting this together.
1.
This is the version 2 of the Infinity interlocking tiles. You asked for it, you wanted to have 6-inch tiles that could interlock with 3x3 tiles. So let's see how this works. You notice we printed them in different colors. I'm gonna put them on the board and start assembling them. Good idea to have something to tap the zippers in. And let's try the last one. Perfect fit, works well, almost impossible to take apart, looks beautiful.